Hey you guys, what's going on? Sarah Hall here, the Wealthy Optimist. I am so excited because I just got back. I was grocery shopping and practicing some lines for an acting class I'm doing. And I went to the mailbox and guess what was in it? Ancestry! My Ancestry DNA Kit. I'm doing this. I'm totally doing this. So I'm filming this now. And then I'm going to, I guess, spit into this and then send it off to them so they can establish my DNA heritage results, which I'm super thrilled to discover. And then in another 6 weeks, you're gonna see me revealing what that is. And I'm really excited. So I would love to hear if you guys have ever done this before. I'm really excited to see what my heritage is. I've heard one horror story I wanted to share with you guys, that people were finding out they were doing their DNA results and then they were getting like their parents to do them and stuff. And they were finding out that their parents weren't their real parents, their dad wasn't their real dad and stuff like that. And I'm like, that is super traumatic. But so that's a horror story I heard. On the other side, I'm excited to find out what nationalities I am. I know for sure that I'm British and Scottish because my grandmother was straight off the boat from England and my grandfather was from Scotland. And they moved to Canada in like, I don't know, just after the World War II happened. And then so they were Canadian immigrants. So I'm third generation. On the other side, on my dad's side, I have Norwegian heritage, and I'm not sure what other kinds of European heritages. So I'm very excited to find out. I can't wait to share these results with you because I love doing stuff like this. This is going to be so much fun. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can follow up with me in 6 weeks and find out what the results were. And it's really simple. So what you do is you just open this guy up and I'll show you what is inside of it. And yeah. Okay. So I decided to do a let's open it up together kind of deal. I'm excited to see what's in it. I took off the thing that says my address on it because, you know, stalkers and shit like that. Just saying. Not accusing any of you guys, but you never know. So there's the kit. This is first page. Welcome to Ancestry DNA. Simply complete the following steps and let the discoveries begin. So excited. And also in French. Okay, so we got some things. We got some things inside of here. It's very scientific. I guess that's the collection bag. Insert cap tube into bag. Okay. Attention, this is a prepaid postage box. Okay, so I'm gonna put it into this little box after I'm done. And that's it. There are 3 things inside this kit. Awesome. The cap is a choking hazard, okay? All you fools who want to try to chew on the cap, don't do it. Activate your kit online. Gather your DNA. 2-step process, people. We like it easy. Oh, and it's like IKEA. It's like DNA collection IKEA. Activate your kit online. Enter the 15-digit activation code from the collection tube. This is the only way we can identify your sample. This is very important. Do that. Do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving your saliva sample. I haven't eaten or drink and I don't smoke, so I think I'm good to go with this. I'm gonna do it right here for you guys. We're gonna do it right now. Fill the tube with saliva to the black wavy line. Sexy. Okay, so can you see that? I'm gonna fill up that tube. It looks like a lot of saliva. I don't know if I have that much saliva. I'm kind of hungry though. You know when you're hungry and your mouth starts like salivating? Words are hard right now. I'm hungry. And then replace the funnel with the cap. Tighten to release stabilizing fluid. You will know it works when the blue solution empties into the blue tube. Shake it for 5 seconds. And then seal it and mail it. Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna register it first because that's step 1. Okay, you guys, we follow the rules on this channel. Can't even take myself seriously right now. Can you guys see me doing this? Don't look at my password. Forgot my password. Please stand by. Who is providing it? Me or my child? That'd be me. I have no children. I'm not a breeder yet. I do want kids though, but not yet. Not yet. Okay, so we're gonna enter this number for everybody following along. Oh, maybe I shouldn't show you that. Don't look at that. Okay, so it's telling me to consent to them informing me of who other members of my family are according to my DNA. And this is that conspiracy thing I was talking about. It's not a conspiracy, it's real. So people find out like that their parents aren't their parents, or like, you know, maybe their siblings are different people, or they find out new brothers and sisters and like, what'd your dad get up to or something, you know? But anyways, my family's cool. It's kosher, I'm pretty sure. If not, then we got something to talk about, mom and dad. Okay, we are activated. We're ready to roll. So now I'm gonna collect my DNA. Let's get serious here for a second. Fill the tube with saliva. Okay. Don't wanna mess it up. Only got one chance. Okay, this is it. We're doing it. You ready? This is sexy to watch. You guys are just fascinated. It's a lot of saliva. Why is my saliva so bubbly? Get it out of there, bubbles. It requires a lot and it needs it to not be bubbly, so. This is like the sexiest thing I've ever done on YouTube. Spitting into a funnel. Mmm. Tasty. I'm like trying to shake it around because you can see like where there's saliva but bubbles, so we need more of the saliva, more of my DNA. It tastes like Sarah. Okay, come on. We're almost there. We're almost there, guys. See the saliva and the bubbles? We need like a little bit more. It's harder than it looks. I think it'd be easy. Fill to here. Yeah, look at that. Bang on the money. Bang on the money. It says do not overfill, so we're gonna stop here. Should I put one more for good luck? What do you think? No, that's like right on the line. Now I've got like saliva. Okay, replace the funnel with the cap. Twist off. Well, that's gross. Okay. Replace the funnel with the cap. Tighten to release stabilizing fluid. Are you guys ready for this? I'm nervous I'm gonna somehow mess it up, but I'm not going to, it's fine. Okay, we're gonna stabilize it. You ready for this? Tighten. Oh, you got really tight in it. Okay, so there, now it's stabilizing. Now we gotta shake it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that's it, we're stabilized. That's my DNA. It's my DNA. Okay, cool. Place it in the collection thing. Place it right in here. Insert cap tube, put bag in return mailer. Okay. Done! We're done, just like that. Gonna find out what our heritage is. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? This is awesome. By the way, this video is not sponsored, but holler at me, Ancestry DNA, if you want to sponsor the results video, because I'm just saying, there's gonna be results. So get at your girl. So that's it. We put this into here and we walk it over to the post office and we find out in 6 to 8 weeks. I'm really excited. I feel like a little kid. This is very exciting for me. I love this kind of thing. Okay. Nice and easy. Easy peasy. No postage or stamp required. This is ready to go. That's it. Bam! Done! Okay, thanks you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can see the results of my DNA. I also do awesome lifestyle, travel videos, fitness videos, all kinds of fun stuff. So it's a really great place to hang out. We got a cool community growing at The Wealthy Optimist, and I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Share this with somebody that's interested in getting their DNA results done, and I would love to hear from you if you've done this before. What were your results? Were you surprised by anything? I don't want to jinx it, but I'm hoping I'm a tiny bit Italian because I love Italy. There's like a piece of my soul belongs in Italy. So we'll see. And they're gonna tell us. So thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.